Okay, so today we're gonna make a new fishing rod combo. Midas's rod. We're using gold leaf, a gold reel. Wow, look how shiny. So shiny. And we got a gold-ish rod. We're gonna use the gold leaf on the rod itself. And I just purchased a rod that had kind of a gold looking handle. So here we're just gonna use some clear coat, regular clear coat, these gold leaf sheets. We're gonna put it on the rod. Got gold fishing line too. So this is the start of it. I sprayed it with clear and now I'm just adding gold leaf. Okay, we're gonna crush it. I'm gonna try and shoot this again with a little more clear. I'm gonna try and patch it in. Maybe a little black spots. Oh wow, I'm almost done this. It's finally done. We're gonna call this real